Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain two very basic but important Figma concepts, stroke and fill, using simple examples. If you are a beginner, this will really help you improve your design. Let's start. So first, let's understand fill. Fill is the inside color of a shape. So remember, whenever you see a shape, understand that that color is coming from the fill. You can also apply this fill to all the shapes. Okay. I can apply fill to all the shapes. If you feel that this color is bit heavy, you can also reduce the opacity of the color. You can see now it is 100%. I can reduce it. I can reduce the opacity of the color. Let me give 80%. So you can see the difference. I can also add multiple colors inside this fill. For example, now I'm going to add this color and increase the opacity to 50%. So I think you can see the difference. I can also increase or decrease the opacity of these colors. Similarly, if I want to remove this color, I can remove it by here. So whenever you design a solid button, card background or container, you are mainly working with the fill. Now I'm going to create a button using this fill. Let me make it at the center. I'll give corner radius. So this is the button. You can also apply gradient colors for this button. Let me click the gradient and adjust it. I'll change it to blue color. You can also apply gradients for shapes or buttons. Now let's understand stroke. Stroke is the border line around the shape. It defines the edges of an element. Let me apply this. I can also increase the stroke weight according to my requirement. Now I'm going to copy the same login button. I'll remove the fill and add stroke for this button. Let me change the color of the text. Stroke is mostly used for outline buttons, input fields and borders. Now if you feel that you need stroke line only on the left and not on the top and sides, you can adjust it accordingly for your requirement. You need to select the shape, and in individual strokes you can see that all is selected. Now I'll select bottom, so I'll get the stroke line only on the bottom side, not on the top and sides. Similarly, you can adjust it according to your requirements. Also, if you feel that you need dashed lines instead of the solid stroke, you can select You can adjust it in the advanced stroke settings. You can see that this solid style is selected. In that I'll give dashed. You can also adjust the dash size. This is the dash gap. If you want it a little bit closer, you can adjust it. I'll give 4. Filled buttons are usually used for primary actions like submit or buy now, while the stroke buttons are used for secondary actions like cancel or learn more. Many beginners use both heavy fill and thick stroke together, which makes the button look noisy. In most cases, you should use either fill or stroke, not both strongly. You can see that in this button I have used only fill, and in this secondary button I have reduced the stroke opacity to 40%. So in simple words, fill controls the inside while stroke controls the outline. This is for today. Now you know how to use stroke versus fill. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more beginner UI design tips.